Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Jasco Geeni devices with Alexa, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, ensure your Jasco Geeni device is properly set up and connected to your Wi-Fi network. Next, download and install the Geeni app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Open the Geeni app and create an account or log in if you already have one. Once logged in, add your Jasco Geeni device to the app by following the prompts to connect it to your Wi-Fi. After the device is successfully added, open the Amazon Alexa app on your smartphone or tablet. In the Alexa app, tap on the menu icon in the top left corner. Select Skills and Games from the menu options. Use the search bar to find the Geeni skill. Tap on the Geeni skill and then select Enable. Log in with your Geeni account credentials when prompted. Once logged in, allow Alexa to access your Geeni devices by following the on-screen instructions. After authorization, return to the Alexa app and tap on the menu icon again. Select Devices from the menu options. Tap on the plus icon to add a new device. Choose Add Device. Select Other if you do not see Geeni listed. Tap on Discover Devices to allow Alexa to find your Jasco Geeni devices. Once the discovery process is complete, your Geeni devices should appear in the list of devices. You can now use voice commands to control your Jasco Geeni devices through Alexa. Try commands like Alexa, turn on the living room light to test the connection. If the devices do not respond, double-check your Wi-Fi connection and ensure the devices are powered on. Repeat the discovery process if necessary to ensure everything is connected. You are now ready to enjoy hands-free control of your Jasco Geeni devices with Alexa. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.